Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Before you buy gold, there are some important things you must know. Many people lose money because they don't understand these basics. So watch this video till the end. First, let's talk about gold purity. 24 karat gold is 99.9% pure and best for investment. 22 karat gold is commonly used for jewelry. 18K and 14K gold contains other metals and are less pure. So always check purity before buying. Next, always check certification. In the UK, gold should have hallmark from an assay office. In India, look for BIS hallmark, usually marked as 916. This confirms the gold is genuine and pure. Now let's talk about making charges. These are only to jewelry and can be between 8 to 25%. You usually lose this money when selling. So coins and bars are better for investment. Taxes are also very important. In India, there is GST and import duty. In the UK, investment gold like coins and bars is VAT free. So the UK is better for gold investment. Gold prices is differ between the UK and India due to currency, taxes and demand. For investment, the UK is usually better. For jewelry, India is the best. If you bring gold from India to UK, you must declare it if the value above the £10,000. Now, jewelry may be charged VAT and duty, so it can become expensive. My simple advice here: buy 24 karat gold coins or bars in the UK for investment. Buy 22 karat jewelry in India for personal use. Gold coins like Britannia are very popular in the UK. They have no VAT and no capital gains tax. They are easy to sell and have high demand. Now, where should you buy gold? Always buy from trusted and well-known dealers. Choose sellers who offer secure delivery and buyback options. Avoid unknown and unverified sources. A smart strategy is to buy gold gradually. For example, buy one coin now and another after few months. This reduces risk. Avoid buying at the wrong time. The best time to buy gold is during the price dips. Don't invest all your money at once. Go step by step. Best months to buy gold. Historically, prices can be lower around March, June and July. Prices often increase during festivals like Diwali and Christmas due to high demand. There is always difference between buying and selling price. This is called dealer spread. So gold is the best for long-term investment, not for quick profit. For example, if you buy a coin for £3,500, you may sell it for around 3,350. Finally, gold is safe investment if you buy wisely. Always check purity, certification and charges, and always think long term. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.